Embrace your inner star. Bears and pups.
You will be delighted to know that the Fabuluxe Hotel has a treat for all our guests, just for the holidays.
Oh, how lovely.
Yes? Oh, no. Wait, listen, Mr. Cenofer. We're on it. What's going on, Star? The hotel's out of holiday cookies and the chef's out sick, so I offered us to make a new batch, and I don't know where to start.
Yes!
Wow.
Oh, I love helping you in the kitchen, Star. I'll be your sous chef.
I'll decorate those cookie bags you have, Star, and make them look amazing. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, I'm on Team Decorate with Diamond. Me too. Oh.
Baby, this whole mission needs a hero. Let me be that hero.
How about sous chef?
Yes! I'm assistant to the assistant chef, and I don't even know how to cook. Hero move!
Sweetie Squad, we're on the clock. Let's move it. How about some merry music? Baby, we need flour. Loves it. Muggsy, can you grab me some vanilla?
What's a vanilla?
Brown liquid in the little bottle.
I knew that. Just making sure you knew.
Okay, last up, sugar.
I got it. I know what sugar is.
Bingo! Holiday cookies are done.
Yummy!
Glamazing! How are the bags looking, my little starteasts?
Huh? Salt?
Huh? Something wrong?
I messed up. I put salt in the cookies instead of sugar.
Ooh, cookies cooled and ready to pack. But first, a little taste. Why are these so hard and terrible?
It's my fault. I put salt in the cookies instead of sugar.
It's Mr. Cenofer. What do I say? Nothing. Hide. Talk about the weather.
Leave the country.
Almost done, Mr. Cenofer. What do we do, Star? We don't have time to bake more cookies.
Just stick this on the tree and shout Merry Mess Up, Muggsy.
Huh, it doesn't look half bad. It kind of sparkles, actually.
Wait, that's it. Let's turn these cookies into holiday ornaments.
Hero save, Muggsy.
Please, bear with me, and we'll have something very, very special for you. Very soon, I hope.
Hard to find good staff these days.
Bad news, I didn't bake any cookies.
Oh,
Because we made ornaments instead! Now every Fabuluxe Hotel guest can take home a little holiday starkle.
Oh, I love this.
this is brilliant.
Perfect for my house.
It was actually all Muggsy's idea.
Well, thank you, Muggsy.
A puppy charm? What for, Star?
To celebrate the star you are. You saved the holiday.
Happy Holidays!